Hi, good people, nice to meet you again. Let's come and join us here. Today we are going to show you how to make a rifle balloon. So let's prepare the balloon and we use the black color. Alright, the first balloon, we insert into that balloon the nozzles of this balloon and then hold inside that, twist direct. Yeah, so just like that. Then now take some size, about 5 fingers. So we make it in 7 or 8 fingers bubble. Continue to the small pin twist. We make it in 2 pieces of a small pin twist in the same size. Then now continue to the fingers bubble. Next with the small pin twist. So anyway, you just need to stay tuned here and pay your attention to the details of the twisting. Okay, for the rest of this balloon, we discard and don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the twisting. Alright, we make it tidy by cutting the end of that balloon. Then after that, we can adjust the position of the twisting to get the perfect shape of the rifle. Okay, the end of that balloon, we can tie it to balloon and then we cut for make it tidy. And here we need additional balloon. It's just like 5 or maybe, sorry, it's like 7 to 8 fingers bubble. Yeah, so just like that. And the end of this balloon we discard. And don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the twisting. Okay, and let's get for the next balloon in the same color. After we tie the balloon, we twist that to be our fingers bubble. That's about 4 fingers. Okay, this for about 5 fingers bubble. Then still with the fingers bubble, but we make it shorter, so it's about 3 or maybe 4 fingers. Then make it a double side, and the third the same size. Okay, that's it. And for the rest of this balloon, we can discard. We take some size for the small pin twist. Then the end of that balloon we can tie to the twisting. After that we make it tidy by cutting the end of this balloon. The next balloon, we tied the nozzles in between of the small pin twists. Okay, we continue to twisting for about 4 fingers bubble, and next to the small pin twist we make it 2 pieces. Okay, so this is for the rifle balloon, and we continue to twisting with the small with the fingers bubble and small pin twists. The next balloon we tie into the end of that balloon. Alright, and now this we take the same size, and after that we twist to be a triangle. Okay, and for the rest of this balloon we discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the tracing. Anyway, for everyone, please don't forget to support, like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, we have done for the rifle balloon, and I hope you get the same thing also with your own balloon. So now you can use that to be your toys. So thank you to join us. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again with the next video. Still with Balloon Kids to channel. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.